So, the lads, do you think there's enough snow?
Yeah. Yeah. January 2024, 50 liters cost, or 48.77 liters cost $67.28. All right, let's go, babies. Suck on. Reset the trip. I don't know why I do that. I'm not collecting mileage. Oh, I shouldn't say that. This is a video. I should be claiming these as mileage. Let's see how long it takes me first. I just realized I'm making videos every single time I go up to Big White. Oh my God, look at that view, guys. That is beautiful. I always thought, oh cool, a Rivian. I love those things. Okay, this is pretty cool. I don't know if this is gonna show up. These are my lenses, so I change them accordingly to what the weather's like. Normally I just keep these guys on. It's pretty cool, they're magnetized, the M4s. So if you want to change the lenses, I usually keep one in my kangaroo pouch. Bam, done, fog gone, fog be gone. Plus, they have magnetic face masks. You don't have your nose showing, like it just clips to the bottom of the lens. I don't know why more goggles aren't doing that. Maybe the patent and they're greedy, I don't know. But yeah, these lenses, I think I'm gonna pop out today. I just want to see what it will actually do as like a ND filter to this camera. Yeah, it kind of turns things, gives it like a pinkish tone. So that's that one. Let's see what these lenses that I have on right now do. Not much, I don't think. Yeah, see, it's still pretty bright. I'm gonna be rocking these ones today. That's probably not a good example because the camera's adjust. I'm not going for any cinematic views right now, man. We're just going up snowboarding all the scenes. Beautiful day. Wow. That was a good time to bring out my camera.
Thanks so much for
You're welcome, you're welcome.
Oh, I'm sorry about your
No worries, no worries.
Thank you. It's okay.
Playground. These trees here. Right there. Oh, that's pretty cool. What's over there though?
Alright, this one's from the top of the T-bar, and we're going to the gym. Are you ready?
Trees aren't green, the ocean is grey, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise, I think I'll let it slide.
So lads, do you think there's enough snow?
Yeah. Yeah.
Almost.
I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same. I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know.
Dini.
Winter Wonderland.
This is not good.
security access.